All right. Hey, Affiliate Marketing University. It is your fearless leader, Troy, here back again. I know it's been a while. I've been off doing some other projects, actually building my social media marketing agency. That's going actually really good. But aside from that, I got really sick for a couple of weeks. I had the flu. It was really a tough time for me. But don't want to bore you about that. But the fact is that I'm back, and it's about a day and a half before New Year, and I just want to give you guys some encouragement, just some things that have been on my mind coming into the new year. I don't know who's going to watch this video. I don't know how far the reach is going to be, but for the ones that are watching this video, I'm going to give you some information that if you do, you're going to begin to see some good results in 2020. So first off, I want to say is that I don't know how your 2019 was, but for me, it was really good. It was an eye-opener. Hit some really good milestones in 2019. But it made me really understand how difficult it is for people to really understand what it takes to make money online, whether that's affiliate marketing, e-commerce, any type of internet marketing. All of the information out there, there's so much information overload. Like you watching this channel, there's probably 10 other channels that are talking about the same type of concepts, right? So there's so much information out there. And how do people actually break through that and actually get to a place where they can implement and take action in making money online? So I found it's very difficult. It's not impossible, but it takes a person that is determined to actually figure it out that's actually going to get there. And so I want to talk to you guys today and say, hey, look, 2020 is, I believe, a year of endless possibilities. I know my business is going to go to another level, but I encourage you, okay, whether it's my channel or someone else's channel, I encourage you to begin to take action. Now, it takes a couple of things before you really start finding the real stuff, right? There's 1,000 channels on affiliate marketing. So which ones do you watch, right? So right now you're watching this one. This is a brand new channel. It's a couple of months old, and I'm still building it. So there's not a lot of content on it. I've been doing affiliate marketing for a couple of years. I decided, hey, I need to make a YouTube channel and put this information out there. So it's still a brand new channel. It's still building. But the information is solid. So if you watch any of my videos, you know that I only give out great content, great value. My goal is to deliver great value. But I'm not concerned with your watching other channels. Some people out there are like, oh man, I don't want to tell them about another channel or some other information because they won't come back to my channel. If you're giving good content, people are going to come back. So I'm not too concerned about that. Plus my livelihood does not, solely pertain to people watching this channel. So I'm not too concerned about that. And that shouldn't be anybody's concern. If they are, they're probably not going to be successful. So I am not concerned with you watching another channel. Matter of fact, I want to give you in this video some channels to watch that's actually going to help you. But anyways, the point is this, please get it. It takes a couple of things to be successful online. One, clarity. You need to have a clear understanding of what it takes. Simple as that. You need to have a clear understanding of what it takes, and that can get jumbled up with all the info out there. I get it. I understand it. Information overload is a real thing. I've been through it. So how do you start finding real stuff? How do you start finding the real? Okay, well, you start actually you got to stop looking for the shiny thing. Number one, stop looking for the push button software, the get rich quick schemes out there, that just do A, B, and C, and you're good, you're done. Stop looking at that stuff. Doesn't exist, doesn't work. It's that is there to solely hook in the people that are willing to spend money to try to believe in a dream that doesn't exist. And there are people that are there that are going to make money on that. But if you want to make money in a sustainable business online, you have to get past looking at that stuff. That stuff doesn't exist. Seal it in your heart. It doesn't exist. Boom. Now, what's the next step? The next step is to find a consistency of what people that claim that they're making money online are doing. I'll say that again. Find a consistency of what these people are doing. Who's talking about the same things? Who's showing you their results? Who's showing you information that actually makes sense? Who's telling you, hey, there is work involved, right? Find a consistency of what people are talking about. And I'll give you an example. If you're finding a consistency of people talking about, building an email list and building a relationship with people and giving out great content for free and doing all this type of stuff. And you see them talking about steps and strategies and systems and different ways of doing it. But it's the same thing, and then drilling at home. And then this other person's talking about the same thing, and this other person's talking about the same thing. Then you're probably in the right space of individuals or YouTubers that are actually going to give you some good results, show you some good tactics or whatever. But the point is that there is, when you start, when you're done looking at that stuff, you're going to find channels that are actually giving you some good content, and you realize, hey, these guys are all talking about email marketing. These guys are all talking about building a relationship by giving away free information, building value. These people are all talking about A, B, and C, and D, and E. Maybe I should start implementing that. Maybe I should focus on a channel, somebody that has a lot of content on there, whether that's my channel or not. That's why I don't care, guys. I want you to take action in 2020. Find a channel, whether it's my channel or a series of other channels, that are going to give you the steps on how to begin to implement systems and strategies that are going to help you begin to make money online. So first thing, that's what you need to do. Stop looking at the shiny thing in the room or the shiny new thing online. Forget about that. If you want to keep doing that, keep going ahead. You'll never be successful. And then start finding consistency of what people are talking about, of what it takes. You'll see it's the same thing I'm talking about on this channel, which is building an email list, building an audience, adding value to that audience by giving away great information, and then being able to eventually, right, lead them to, if you have a product or you have your own product you've created or an affiliate product, really doesn't matter, but a product that's going to actually take them to that next level, which is where you come in. You're able to recommend that after you've built that relationship with people, after you've given value, after you've proven yourself to be trustworthy, then people are going to take you up on your recommendation for some premium service or product. And that's how you're compensated, and that's how you help people get to the next level. And they stay a part of your audience, and you're able to continue to add value. That's the system. That's how it works on every platform, whether it's Facebook, whether it's YouTube, whether it's Instagram, whether it's Twitter, all of that. Everybody's building an audience, building a relationship, adding value, proving themselves that they're not scammers, right? And then they're able to be compensated by either ad revenue or some product that they have that's actually going to help you. But also they're able to support themselves, to sustain themselves through their channel by offering those services. And so they're offering value to you, and you're offering value to them by purchasing their product or their service. Anyways, there's a couple different variations on how that works, but it's still the same thing: build an audience and add value. So that's what you need to do. Now, how do you make that happen? Here's the next step. I know this video is already about 8 minutes long, but this is the next step. The next step is, now you have clarity. What do you need to do from there? Take action. You need to start to take action. I was one of those guys that didn't take action because I felt like I needed to have all the information. I've learned this one thing: you're never going to have all the information. It's just not going to happen. Actually, there's things you need to learn in failure in order to be successful. Some people don't like that. You need to learn what doesn't work in order to find out what does work. And when you find out what does work, then you can up that, and you can magnify that. But you have to take action to learn what doesn't work. You have to take action to figure out how to tweak the system. You have to take action. Next is to take action. And then after you start taking action, get some direction from either a mentor or somebody that you trust online, whether it's buying their course, their step-by-step system on how to make it happen, or something. Invest in a course that's going to show you how to get there. Stop trying to figure it out yourself. It's not going to work. No one's self-made. Everybody had a mentor. Everybody had somebody that helped them, whether that's somebody directly or whether that's a course. When you find somebody to be trustworthy, they're delivering you great information, you're actually getting results, then invest in their course. Stop being afraid to spend money. Spending money, you spend money for anything, right? If it's valuable, you're going to spend money for it, right? So spend money, get the education, get the direction, and then you're going to be able to, after you get the direction, then you need to do the last main thing, which is to carve out time every day, set aside time every day to get stuff done. Straight up, flat out. The difference between successful people and people that are not successful is not that they have more talent, they have a better drive, that they know more, or any of that. It's the fact that one carves out time, plans it, gets it done, and the others try to get it done, but get distracted, and their phone and Instagram and Facebook and everything else distracts them, and they can never get done. And it's always going to be a pipe dream that they know they can do, but they never do because they can't stop for an hour or two and get stuff done. So you need to, one, have clarity, right? You need to understand how the system works. You need to know what does work, what doesn't work. Okay. You need to get direction, and then you need to take action, get direction, and start getting stuff done. If you can't do that, you won't do it. Forget about it. Stop trying. Okay. Got to be able to get stuff done. And you'll start figuring this thing out. It'll just start coming to you. It's a way, it's weird. Kind of like you start attracting the right information. You start attracting the right videos, you start attracting the right stuff. It just starts to work when you start to work. Okay. Let 2020 be the year that you're successful. Do not let it be another year that you're still an entrepreneur, right? You want to be an entrepreneur, but you're not. Stop that. Be successful, or just quit. Go back to a regular 9 to 5 and just be happy doing that. But don't drag yourself or your family through the mud, having them believe in something that's never going to happen because you are not willing to make the sacrifice to make it happen. I'm sorry if this video seems to be like grim or whatever, but I am passionate about people taking their own destiny into their own hands and making their lives what they want to make it, right? We all have the ability to do that. If there's an opportunity in front of you that says, okay, if you take this opportunity and you take action, this could be your potential future. This could be your possibilities that you have. And if you don't do that because of limiting beliefs, then you have only yourself to blame. I'm no better than anybody else. I saw opportunity. I saw my future. I see my family. I see where I want to bring them. I see what I want to do with a lot of other things. And I said, you know what? The only thing stopping me is not the information. I got all the information. I've invested thousands of dollars. It's me actually putting myself down to a seat and making it happen. And I said, you know what? I'm willing to do that. I'm going to do that. I've been carving out time every day. And I have been able to get results, and that's what it takes. I want to encourage you guys. This video is already over 12 minutes, but I just want to encourage you guys. Let 2020 be a year where you have better vision online. 2020 vision, that's pretty good. And take action on this thing called making money online, affiliate marketing, internet marketing. Get mentored, invest. If you need to invest, do whatever it takes. Take action, carve out the time, and you will see results. So I just want to touch base with you guys again. I'll be making some more videos. Don't worry about that. I'm fully recovered from my sickness. I had a little post-viral fatigue for about a week. It was pretty terrible. I had no energy. But I'm back now, and I'm making more content while I'm working on other projects. I want to encourage you guys, take action. Let 2020 be a year you get new vision and take action towards your business. All right. Hopefully I've added value to you. Hopefully I didn't scare you too much. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Happy New Year 2020. Here we come.